everybody. So today we're going to check out the Magician's knife from Ryder. Before I do that, I just want to show a couple things I've been working on. I found a leather kit at one of the thrift shops. And I told Jesse McJames I'd send this to him. But it came out kind of nice. It will fit a buck 110. I tried it out. I think it needs a little more oil, a little more stretching. I was kind of confused about the back loop at first. That was the only problem I had. I think it came out really nice, and I put a bull stamp on there, and he wanted it yellow, so did that. And then he had sent me this knife, and the sheath I can't talk. The sheath it was in was made out of cardboard and tape, so I figured I'd try and make my first knife, fixed blade sheath. And a really cool knife from Redbeard Knife and Tool. But this is what I made. I didn't try very hard. That's why the stitching's kind of wonky. Stamping's kind of wonky. But this is the chocolate dye that Covered in Bees sent me. And it's a really pretty, really dark brown. I just put one coat. And it did fine. And I found these kind of old looking brass rivets to put in there, and it came out perfect, I think. I mean, for a crappy sheath, but look at that, it fits perfect. Does not rattle, does not fall out. You have to pull it out. It's a little tight, but not too bad. It's tight enough to where you want it that tight. So I thought that turned out really good. And then he wanted he wanted a slip for his what the hell? I can't talk tonight. For his hawkbill. Sorry, I've been watching Patty, so my speech is all messed up. But it looked about this size. This is the biggest one I have. And this is the slip I made. I put a sugar skull on there, and put that as my maker's mark for now. I'm using the thicker thread on all these just because I think they're going to be users. And this fits perfect. Actually, it fits too perfect. I had to get a lanyard to, it doesn't fall out as easily. So it's pretty secure. You're going to need a lanyard to take it out most of the time, but it does fit. And just beautiful distressed leather. I think that looks awesome. I mean, when you just bend it, it kind of gets distressed a little bit. So really cool stuff. So hopefully he'll like that. This was I was just practicing, just screwing around. I didn't trace anything. I just cut it out. I eyeballed it. So anyways, let's check out the box for the Magician's knife. So it's model number RR2223. Let the illusion begin. And it's your typical magnetic Rough Ryder box. It came in a little piece of plastic. And I almost forgot, this was a gift from Watch City Knives. He's a big friend of the channel, a big supporter of the channel, and he actually has his own channel, so please go check it out. I'll leave a link down below for that. But it fits in there good. It fits in there nice and tight, where it's pulling the foam out when I try and get it out. And the whole reason why it's called a Magician's knife. Pause the video. All right, so where was I? So the reason why they call it Magician's knife is because you show it to somebody. Like, check out this green knife, and you kind of, boom. And unless they notice the blades are different, the R bolster on this side is on this side. So when you flip it, and I really like that grain. I wish they would have dyed it a little more, but still looks fine. I don't mind the imperfections. I like darker bone, but it still looks awesome. So thank you to Watch City Knives, Sean. That was a really cool gift. He gave me a bunch of stuff. Let's check out the secondary blade. You got a little spear point, back-to-back R's, Rough Ryder on the tang stamp, nothing on the other side, nothing on the blade. You have a match strike pull. Let's see if it's sharp. So it's sharp. I don't see any serious gapping at all. I don't feel any stepping and the tiniest bit of light comes through here, but it's not going to affect anything with the knife. For the price that you can get these at, it's awesome. The main blade, you got a spear point, match strike nail pull, you got swedging, back-to-back R's, and then you have the model number and made in China right there, RR2223, and it comes in 440. What does that say? Well, it's 448, but this is 440 sharp steel, or razor sharp steel. And let's see how razor sharp it is. So that was just a nice slow cut, fast cut. It works really good, and the Canoe pattern feels really great in the hand. Either way, whether you're pulling up on the kick or right down here. The pull on it, let's see. I want to say it's like a 5 or 6. I'm gonna say 5. Right in the middle of the road. The pin blade is a little bit tougher, so probably like a 7. And it does, well, it looks like it's hitting a little bit. You gotta be careful not to push the blade over while you're putting it in. Really nice snap to it. Good walk and talk. Really awesome knife though. Thanks again, Sean. Please go check out his channel. And Jesse McJames, he's going to be getting all this stuff soon. And on Thursday, we're going to have Traditiaonal on there, and we're going to talk about Rosecraft blades. So I hope you all come there. If he gets to 450, I will dye my hair probably like blue or purple or whatever. Blue, purple, or green. I'm not going to do like pink or anything. But yeah, please go check his channel out. Links down below. You guys have a great night. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great week. Ow. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm just gonna tickle you.